So, hello friends. I have been practicing bark flower therapy for the last 6.5 years. I am not from a medical background, but I saw immense improvement not only in myself, I healed myself of not only allergies that I had for years, knee problem, and that's what led me to go and learn about the bark therapy. And then I started practicing with my clients 6.5 years. I'm just so happy to see all doctors. Because whenever clients come to people like me, lay non-medical background, it's very difficult to convince them about the therapy one. Once they see the improvement on themselves, I've had cases where they've gone back to their doctors and doctors have not believed it. Okay, this can happen, and then they have left it and they have come back again to me. So I'm just so happy that doctors are here, because people like us can really, it's more easy for us to convince. And also, Dr. Atul, I want to thank you so much, because I am using only bark therapies, 38 flowers. But now you have opened up for me, for people to use all these beautiful Indian flowers. And I'm going to definitely use them with my clients and share everything I can with my other therapist also. That yes, there are Indian flowers, and they can do so much, and more so because I didn't know that even physically it can heal. I mean, if I had neurological cases coming to me, I would not take it. I would say it's not possible. Physically, to a certain extent, but now I have Dr. Atul.
Sure.
So whenever I have any case like that, I am very confident that yes, with the flower therapies, we'll be able to go ahead. So thank you, Dr. Rupa. Thank you, amazing work.
Thank